Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to chit chat with you guys about a few things with QB wig collections, what I kind of want to start doing for you guys on here. You guys know I've already started doing my hair reviews for raw hair vendors. You guys, I have been ordering hair from raw hair vendors. I'm waiting for some to come in for you guys to review. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting on reviews from certain vendors and it's coming. I'm trying to get it in the works. I have a lot going on with QB wig collections and I definitely have been making other videos obviously, but ordering hair and doing that part of my YouTube channel has just been on like a little hold right now. So it's coming. I'm gonna have some more vendors that I want to review for you guys. Keep in mind, I'm only reviewing raw hair vendors. Some of you guys have been sending me vendors to review that are processed hair and all of that. That's not really what I am trying to put out there. I'm trying for, to get everybody to do better, be better, try to get raw hair. It's honestly the best hair that you can possibly have. Of course, textured hair like these bundles right here behind me. These are, processed bundles that I custom colored for one of my clients. And the hair is great, but of course you can't go the extra mile with certain processed hair. Getting up to 613 hair color. And of course, doing the flat ironing and blending with your hair and lasting more than, 2 years, you really can't get from processed hair. So that's why I'm trying to review raw hair vendors for you guys, which I don't see a lot on YouTube, which is why I'm trying to take the initiative and just kind of put it out there for you guys. The biggest raw hair vendors are obviously raw Indian hair. Now, I do have some hair that is raw that I have in the works, and hopefully I can get it, that are not from India. They are from other parts of, the world. So if I can get this hair and hopefully they can maintain some longevity, if somebody wants to purchase it from them, then hopefully it works out. So I have that coming up. And I've also been thinking about getting a bigger salon area. Now, I have slowly been trying to not take as many clients and decrease my schedule because it's taking up a lot of my time, and I really have several streams of income and a whole family of 6 at home that I have to, be with, take care of, and all of that. And I definitely want to keep everything at the highest quality for every aspect of my life. So I have been looking for a bigger space, not necessarily for the salon part of QB wig collections, but for the e-commerce side of QB wig collections. We are growing. We need more inventory. We need more space. I need more office area. Like it's really tight in here. And you guys know, if you watch my original old videos from like way back when I first started doing YouTube, I was not in a salon suite. I had a home office salon area that I still have now. So I not only have this big salon suite, but I also have a office and kind of like a salon area at home that I do a lot of my customization and my office work from. So I need more space, at least minimum of 1,000 square feet for QB wig collections right now. And I'm trying to up my inventory so I can at least have tons and tons of bundles. That way I don't have to limit how much I have to store because there's no space. And then of course my clients want 4 bundles at a time and a closure and things like that. Now with everybody ordering that much, that's why I have to have my custom order section on my website. Now I do feel like my custom order section on my website is giving me a little bit of a hard time. You guys, custom orders are separate from regular orders on my website. Custom orders take a minimum of 14 business days in order to ship it out, versus in stock hair I can ship it out within 1 to 2 business days, as long as it's during business day time, Monday through Friday. But a lot of people have been ordering from the custom order page and then requesting me to ship it faster. No. Y'all know I be trying to be, those who know me know I be trying to be, I be trying to be nice. But if you can't wait the allotted time online, which I send the same email every time to every person that asks me, if you cannot wait the allotted time for a custom order, contact me before you order so I can let you know if the processing time has updated at all, if I can get it faster, or if it's already on the way. Sometimes I might already have hair coming, and if you custom order it, then I can just take it out of the order that I have coming and ship it to you. But as of right now, everything is 14 business days or more sometimes, because tape-ins may or may not take a little longer. So keep that in mind. Custom orders take time. It'll get to you in a timely manner. That's why I have it there on my website. My in-stock area on my website. If you live close by, yes, you can order online and pick it up in store. If you don't, then yes, it will ship out within 1 to 2 business days. That's been a lot for my website right now. Everybody wanting their hair as fast as possible. You guys, I am one person and I will get it out to you as soon as I can. And that's why I have the guidelines on my website for this reason. Another thing is, oh my God, keeping this hair stocked. Y'all wiping me out, okay? Y'all are wiping me out. My Burmese curly hair, my eye tips, my tape-ins, literally, and the raw Indian curly has been very, very popular in the last like 30 to 45 days. I can't even keep it in stock. As soon as I put it on the website, people are buying it right away, which I am absolutely fine with, okay? That's all I got to say. Buy it up. Please take it off of my hands. I don't want it. I want y'all to have it, and I want y'all to keep it and take care of it the way y'all supposed to. So that's another thing. With QB Wig Collections, you guys, it's growing, and I really have you guys to thank for all of this, because literally I have been keeping you guys up to date with what's been going on, and I have been literally running around with my head cut off, trying to get custom wig orders, trying to get all the regular bundle orders out. And I will have more for you guys coming, because I do want to have everything available for you. Eye tips, tape-ins, clip-ins, bundles, lace. Y'all know I got the HD lace coming. By the time this video come out, it might already be on the website. I've been waiting on HD lace for my raw Indian hair for so long. You guys know, those of my clients who've been purchasing the transparent lace from me know that I have been waiting on this for so long. And my regular raw Indian hair vendor, they have not been able to do HD lace for me. So I had to try to find it, and it took me months and months. Finding a vendor is not easy. It is not for the weak at all, okay? So lace is coming, HD lace at that, for my raw Indian curly and raw Indian wavy hair. I cannot wait. I've been considering adding Vietnamese wavy to my website, and I've been considering adding raw Indian straight hair to my website as well. I've had a lot of people, you know, ask about it and things like that. So first, I'm gonna add it to my custom orders page. Maybe eventually, if I get a lot of orders from my custom order page, I'll move it over to having it in stock and having that be one of the staples inside of my salon. Y'all know I don't do straight too much, because I love textured hair, and that's just how I am at QB Wig Collections. But if you guys want it, of course, I have no problem getting it for you, okay? So those are just a few things going on. I have a few YouTube videos lined up for you guys, so you guys can see the kinky curly hair being worn by me. I purchased some kinky curly hair for myself. A lot of you guys have already custom ordered kinky curly hair from me, but I am definitely going to purchase the kinky curly hair. It's already on its way, so it should be here soon, and then I'm going to do a YouTube video on it, giving you the details of kinky curly hair and also making sure you guys can see it being colored, being flat ironed, being worn. I got a lace frontal and I think 3 bundles. So I don't normally keep Kinky-Curly in stock, but it is something that you guys can custom order, and I just want you guys to see it. So I'm going to have that soon. I just put this wig on, but when this hair get here, I'm gonna color it, do the videos, and put that on for you too. So this hair that I have on, if you guys saw my other videos, is the raw Vietnamese hair, and I custom colored it. And I really wanted this burnt orange color. I didn't want it to be too bright, but Vietnamese hair is a little bit more coarse, a little bit heavier than raw Indian hair. I do like how it feels. I only have 2 bundles of 26 and a 24-inch bundle in with a 20-inch lace frontal on right now. So far so good. I love it. I've worn it before, but I don't think I've introduced it to my channel yet. So you guys will see it in one of my other videos of me putting this hair on and doing it. I give all the specs of this hair in that video. So far so good. I love it. Normally I do raw Indian wavy because of how lightweight it is, but the Vietnamese hair is just as amazing. Okay, so that's pretty much it, you guys. I have way more information that I'm probably not going to be able to fit in this video, but I have some more topics coming up, some more reviews coming up for you guys for these vendors, and Kinky-Curly hair coming. You guys have already seen, if you watched my Instagram or some previous videos on my YouTube channel, I have clip-ins coming as well in different textures. Kinky-Curly, Burmese curly. Maybe I'll do some Vietnamese wavy for the clip-ins as well. Add on a few options for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. For more videos like this, or if you guys want to see me do anything on my channel, you know, with any hair, any colors, any things like that, I can definitely help you out. If you guys have any business questions, if you guys want me to do any business videos, then let me know. I can definitely help you out with that as well. I have been just growing and trying to expand and make everything better for you guys. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, like this, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.